The video on. So, Mr. Gay, I just want to say thank you for the support. So, this is the work that's being done here. You know, this place, there was no wall. And so, as a result, you could sit in the living room and see the rooms and see everywhere. So, they created this wall. Even though they make the living room a little smaller, but this living room and the living room in the house are equal. So, it's not bad. You can have living room chair, you have your rug, you have everything. So, this is the hallway. They are going to create an arc. An arc in this place. But I wanted to just let you know so the door can have.
Yeah.
Because you still see that door.
You can still see the door.
Right?
Yeah.
So they have to all this place a little. Yeah, this is just one more step, and you know, right here. Right here. Right here, then the door is really hard. Well, because you still see the door. So that's the wall. And then what they did, they created another wall in the living room here. This is the mini bar. And you know, somewhere where you can put the drinks and stuff in the living room. And then now we come from the mini bar. When people come, you don't want people going in the room to urinate. There wasn't any guest bathroom in this place. So please follow me, Mr. Gay.
Okay.
So there's a place here, you come in here, and there will be a door right here. So they'll put camo, and then just camo and face facing, maybe to wash hands. So this will be the guest bathroom. And then in this place, it's a place where you can put flower pots and other design. Or you can even stay making your mini bar or somewhere where you can put the freezer for the living room. Just, and you know that big freezer like in the living room for drinking also. And then of course this is Mr. Isaac Gay. This is Mr. Isaac and Tony Gay's room. You have their little bathroom. Their bathroom very tiny. So you have their bathroom here. We'll put some like camo and then they put a spinning shower for them. And then this will be their room. Their room is big and spacious enough. You can have 2 bunk beds in here. And then they have their big and wide window. Please follow me, Mr. Gay. Let me take you back to the room. They push me back there. So it's the room. So for now, this is Miss Chini and Miss Tony room. So they give them closet. This is their closet. They give them a closet. And then this place is their bathroom. So they just dug the foundation there. And then the wall you see extending. The entire big area will be Tony and Ginny's bathroom. Sit down with this thing. Okay. From there, you come here and come better. In my room, though, so wow. Just go close it, it's small. But I think wanted to use the pillow. So, this is my room. They are closing this window and opening the window this way. So, you have the room here. And then when you come from the room, they're going to put closet right here. There will be closet from over there. And the closet is here for press clothes. So all the clothes I'll be wearing for the week, they'll press it and then hang it up in my own closet. Because they're sharing the closet into 2. The other side for you and the other side for me. So when they press the clothes, they will hang it here. Well, come, let me take you where the clothes are actually be. So this is our walk-in closet. Wow. This place is where we'll have the shoes, the suitcases, the clothes and everything. But the room will be wearing for the week. We'll press a whole week clothes and we'll put it in the room. So the room will be free. Absolutely nothing will be in the room. Follow me. Okay. And then you come here, you have your bathroom. This is our bathroom. Our bathroom starts from here in the end there. So by tomorrow also we'll start carrying the pillow up. So they have been doing a very good job here. You know. Yeah. You won't show my husband the new bricks they're using. The new bricks is $1. Let me show him it. They make it out of stone, small rock. They can grind it rock and then make it. The bricks out here, the people saw it, they felt so bad. They say they will continue using it, going to crack the wall. Especially the last brick, the people brought so thin. You're taking. So you see the bricks color? You can see the sand in it. And this is the actual the bricks that we just bought. Look at it, that small rock. Rock and cement. Look at it. Big difference. Again, Rika. See, big difference. See. You see the one? The key can go inside it. The one, yeah? The key can't even touch it. See. Big difference. So, you can see it. He's seen it, goose, eh? You seen it? That rock. You know, like small rock. That's why they made it one way. Rock and so cement. And then this one, of course, you can see the same, right? Enough sand with so cement. The construction engineer said they were going to continue using it. You build a house and crack the house. You can see the crack mark on the bricks. It started cracking already. So it's expensive, but at least we got something durable. You can see the crack mark, right? You see the bricks cracking. See the bricks cracking. Yeah, the bricks cracking. Parts of the wall cracking. So they say they will pour in more pillows, and then during the cashing, they will pour in enough cement in the sink to make sure that it's strong. And come back. So you see the difference? So this is the new bricks. So you see the difference? You see how the wall straight? Because the bricks is stuff that you see. It's a very straight wall as compared to what we had before. So we just gotta find people that will go through. Good job with the plastering. And so this is the dining room. The dining room is spacious enough. Big. The reason why I love big dining room because I love big table. So near the very large table, and then we can put the chairs to this place, and then you can have everything you want. From the living room, dining board. Please follow me to the kitchen. My favorite place. You know what I can do in the kitchen, right? So this is the kitchen. We never had pantry before. The people were able to bust this place and they created a pantry for us. So that's the pantry. And so the rest of the areas here is the kitchen. Is that big? Yeah, this is the kitchen. So I'm happy that we have a big kitchen. This is the kitchen, that's the pantry. They also did some adjustment here. Follow me. Before, the boys had wall here. They wall way up. The building went up. But then the engineers came and said you can't have back post and put wall. It means you'll not be able to get air. So they place that Colomo supposed to go here or real. And you know that iron sunny you can put. So they bust the wall from here. So they're just going to clean it up, make it fun. Then we'll be able to put it either the Colomo, like an actual push. So the Guinea Fella boys actually they didn't know what they were doing. The town knew that boy didn't know what he was doing. He stood here and told me say he was being there with our plane. That was the end of it for me. Yeah, I just knew we're not on post with each other. So that is going to put Colomo bricks here. And then obviously we'll clean this space. The wall will continue. So the people say we're giving them only 2 weeks. They started day before yesterday. So 2 weeks from now you can check it. We'll come back and we'll have a finished house. And the only thing that will be remaining for us will be to be able to raise 16 to 20,000 dollars to do the cashing. And we can discuss that. But that is actually something that worries me, you know, every day. I love you, baby, and I just want to say thank you so much for the support. You have supported me so much. You've made me a new woman, a brave woman, a beautiful woman. Every time I look at myself, you know, I just want to be marveling because I know I have a very good husband. I am a blessed woman. I'm blessed to have you. I will always love you. And I know in a not too distant future, you will come from the States and the both of us will be sitting right on this back porch, either eating our cool rice or maybe picking potato grain to cook, you know, and just doing what normal families would do. I am proud to be Mrs. Gay, and I always love you. You are the word best husband. You are the world's best father. Love you, love you, love you, love you. I love you, Daddy. Bye-bye. Shana.